Let's see, Scaminator, 2008 Porsche 997 Carrera S for sale in the Porsche 911 buy-sell group on Facebook, which is slightly better than the Corvette buy-sell trade group, but there is a lot of Porsche pedantics in there. I won't bore you with the details of the listing other than, well, he posted that had factory adaptive sport seats, and they weren't sport seats, but whatever. He posted at the very bottom of the listing, after all the extensive details, rebuilt title, quote unquote, spelled incorrectly so that it wouldn't like come up if you're searching for that term. Oh, but it was more than a rebuilt title. It was flood damage, a biohazard vehicle, and it also has a non-actual mileage brand. So this thing just comes up like, you know, slot machine win of all the brands on the title.
Can we go back to the biohazard? Can that end up on a title?
It's not a brand on the title. The title is just rebuilt. But It was flood damage and a total loss because of the flood damage. And as part of that report, it was also noted that it was a biohazard vehicle.
Do we think that's because of mold or blood?
Probably sewer.
Oh, that's even worse.
Yeah.
I did not think of that.
Yeah.
Yikes.
It was I believe it was in New Jersey when it got flooded. So if it was a sewer related flood.
Ugh. I hope they change the pollen filter.
Ugh, that's a really crappy deal.
Ew.
Yeah, new buyer's going to be kind of pissed off.
I'm still just trying to process this. I can't make any jokes right now. It's disgusting.
Yeah. And also, it's currently for sale with less miles than it had on it a decade ago. But it's only 41 grand. So if you're interested in this, you can call or text this guy, or at gmail.com. Be careful out there, people. There's crazy stuff like this listed all the time. But if you're interested in this car, there's his information, which he posted publicly in this group. So I'm not like outing him or anything.
I don't know what you're concerned with, Doug. It says it's been fully serviced and inspected.
By
car's
whom?
Good to go. It's good to go. He says it in the listing.
MacGyver?
Ugh, I wonder if it still stinks. It's got a little bit. You got to sit in there and be like, something's not right. God, that's heebies and jeebies. No, thank you.